All right, so here is the much anticipated tutorial for the Age of Exploration game that you'll be playing this week. So from the Google Classroom assignment, this is what the link is going to take you to. This is your tutorial. So if you click here to play, that'll get you started. So these are the rules. So you'll be playing through a series of levels to experience the excitement and danger of the Age of Exploration. As you click on the boxes, the story will advance. So please do not use your keyboard. Just click on the different boxes. So use the information that's provided to you, and you're making your best possible decisions. All right, so sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. So the goal is to try to successfully reach your goal with as many explorers as possible. So winning the game. So to begin, just click on Begin Game. And it's going to load the tutorial. And when you're ready, you click on Begin Program. So for this tutorial, you're going to be using Christopher Columbus, who you should all be very, very familiar with. So let's start the simulation. So Christopher Columbus, as you know, had a very unique plan for reaching the Far East. So he's going to head west. So to do that, though, he had to select a country to provide some financial support for him. So let's choose a country. Two choices, Spain or Portugal. Let's go with Spain for this. So it's going to have you visit the palace. And you're going to continue to select your choices. Okay, so when you have reached your goal in this simulation, it'll bring you to this page, launching your personality analyzer. So click on that. This will help you choose your character. It should be a phrase you are very familiar with during this fourth quarter. So you have two choices. Is it Riches and Fame or Adventure? Let's go with Riches and Fame. And then you choose which country you'd like to sail from. And this will take you to your very first explorer. And Vasco da Gama is the winner for this one. Click on Time Warp, and then your adventure will begin. Good luck.